hashtag AD, hashtag ad. I might be saying it wrong. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, my name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today is day 2 of my color week. Today's color is rose gold. The reason I wanted to do this is because it's kind of a pinky color, but it's like goldish bronze color, so it's actually a really easy color to pull off. I am going to be using this Beauty Concepts Blushed Nudes palette. I'm also going to tap into this Pro Artist eyeshadow palette. I got both of these from Marshall's for about $5 each. And I'm also going to tap into my Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette. So first, I have moisturized, I've primed my face. Now I'm going to put on my base, my eyebrows, and I will be back. Okay, don't come for my eyebrows. I know that they are not twins, but they are still sisters. Distant sisters, like half sisters. They're stepsisters. So I've got my base, I've got my brows, and it's time to jump into this rose gold. I'm super excited because I've never done anything like this. Being so new to makeup, like really diving into it and giving it my all is super exciting, and trying new things is the best part of it. I just want to be wild and crazy, and that's the point of this week, is for me to just get out of my comfort zone and stay away from neutrals as much as possible. I know this rose gold look is going to be pretty neutral, but it's okay. I mean, it's supposed to be a rose gold inspired look, so it is going to be pretty neutral, but it's okay. It is a color, and I like the color. Are we going to get this rosy goldy? No, we're not going to get this rosy goldy, but we're going to get pretty close. So let's jump into this. I've got stuff all around me. I feel like a makeup goddess. You know what? I think I'm getting sick, you guys. This is not good. So please just bear with me with my voice if it goes in and out. Just bear with me. Yesterday I primed for the first time with, I primed my eyes for the first time with an eyelid primer, and I actually really liked it. I liked the way that it turned out. I liked the way that the makeup lasted and everything. So today I'm going to go in again with my Morphe eyelid primer and set my eyes. Setting just one eye to begin with. Let me know if I'm using way too much, because I feel like I am. So going in with this large shadow brush, I am going to start with my Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette, and I'm going to jump into the color hashtag makeover. And I'm just going to set that all over my eye. Because rose gold is kind of a shimmery color, this look is going to have a lot of shimmery colors in it. So I'm going to go into hashtag InstaFamous, and I'm going to put that into my crease. To be sure that I don't stray too far from the rose gold look, I'm going to jump into this Pro Artist shadow palette that I got from Marshall's. And I'm going to jump into this kind of darker gold color down here first, and then I'm going to jump to this color. So we're going to start with this one, and I'm going to go with this one and then jump to this one up here. So first starting with this color right here, and I'm just going to put that into my crease as well. Make sure to blend that out completely. Going in with that second color, which is really a goldish the goldest color that we're gonna get today. I'm just gonna pop that all over the lid. Okay, that didn't turn out how I wanted it to, so we're gonna go back to that. So I'm gonna go back to that color, that darker brown goldish color, and just bring that down. Now I'm going to cut my lid, and we're going to do kind of a halo eye with it, which I've never done, ever even attempted. So this is going to be a cut crease halo eye type deal. I don't even know, so just bear with me, and we're going to do that. Yeah. So going in with my concealer from Maybelline in the color 55 Hazelnut. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go into this Beauty Cosmetics Blush Nudes palette and Beauty Concepts Blushed Nudes palette, and I'm going to go in with this gold right here. It's very, very golden, and I'm just going to pop that in the center of my lid, and I'm going to use this smudged brush from e.l.f. Now I'm going to go in with this rose gold looking color right here. And with this small blending brush from e.l.f. And I'm going to go back into the Artistry palette, and I'm going to pick, no, just kidding. Just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. Yes, I'm going to go into that Artistry palette, and I'm going to pick up this pinkish color. And I'm just going to blend that here. So this isn't really turning out rose gold, but it's turning out as goldy as, like, I like that it's kind of a rose gold on the top and then really gold on the lid. The cut crease just kind of disappeared, so we're not doing a cut crease or a halo, because that doesn't look like a halo either, but that's not important. The important today is that it looks kind of rose gold. Sorry if you can hear that outside. They are cutting a tree or doing something. I don't even know. It seems like every time I try to do something in here, they're doing something out there. So please ignore that. I apologize if you can hear that. They're cutting something outside, trees or something. But so this is what this is turning out to be. I'm going to do a winged line because I think that'll clean that up. I'm going to put some lashes on. Oh, wait. We are going to make this look good. So taking this small smudged liner, smudged pen, soap, whatever, we're going to dip into Insta Famous and take that under I'm going to mix that with Influencer just to kind of give it a purplish look to it. And then I'm going to add that brownish, goldish color that I've been using this entire time. Now I'm going to do liner, lashes, and my other eye, and then I'll be back to do cheeks and lips. We're going to highlight with this Becca highlighter that I got as a gift from Sephora with my points. I was super excited about it. I'm like a little kid. It looks like this. It's called Champagne Pop. There, you can kind of see it. So it's kind of a goldy color to it. Champagne color, goldish. So it fits the theme of this gold rose gold color. And I'm just gonna use my finger and right on my cheek here. And I'm going to go in with the brush that I blushed with and just kind of mix that all, blend that all, not mix it, blend that all together. That is it for highlighter. Now I'm going to set with NYX Matte Finish. I don't know why I feel like that just kind of opened me up. Like I can breathe now. It's so weird. But I feel like that's what just happened. I'm going to use my lashes to dry this. Yes, I'm using my pack of lashes to dry this. I wish I could tell you what lashes these are. I got them from Marshall's as well, but I misplaced my box that they came in, so I cannot tell you who they are from or what they are called. I'm crying. Oh no. Why are my eyes watering? Let's hold it together for like 5 minutes, girl. 5 minutes. On to lips really quick. So I'm going to go in with this, I don't even know, Laritzy? I'm going to go with this nude, pinky nude, Minnie, what is your problem? That is my dog. She's barking at me. She's mad at me for something. I don't even know. I'm going to go in with this nude pink lipstick. And I'm going to go over it with a lip tint, lip gloss from NYX called Sparkle Town. Part of their their like Christmas gift collection. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know, but it's in the color Duochrome. First, I'm going to line my lips. I like a dark line. I don't know why, but I do. So we're going to dark line. Now I'm going to go in with this nude lipstick. This is why I like to line after, because I feel like the line that I was looking for just got completely disappeared. Now for our golden rose gold finish, I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss. And there you have it. I think it's super cute. I think it's so simple, so cute, so natural, but it still gives the rose gold effect to it. Like, it just screams rose gold. Like, I could wear a lot of rose gold jewelry right now and it would match my makeup. It didn't turn out as rose goldy as I wanted it to, as rosy gold as I wanted it to, but it's still really cute. It's still really subtle. It sucks that it turned out to be kind of a neutral makeup look when we're trying to do such bold, colorful looks this week, but I still love it. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. I sound like a freaking stuffed animal. I'm so stuffed up. I'm getting sick. which sucks, but I still wanted to make sure that I got these videos done for you guys because I'm enjoying it. I think I did a really good job with this look. If you guys like it, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.